Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix USB debugging is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your USB debugging isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings, scroll down, go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. Go back from here. You have to also check that your USB is inserted or plugged in as well. And then you have to enable your developer options or your developer mode. If you have already enabled this, you can go to the next step. I'm going to open my about phone here to enable developer options. Scroll down, go to software info or software information. And you have to make 7 clicks on build number to enable developer options. Let's do this. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You might see a confirmation message here to allow development settings. Click OK. Developer mode has been enabled. Now just go back, go to main settings. Now in some phones, you might get developer option in your general management and your system management, but in my case, I have this setting here. Under about phone, you might get a further setting which is called developer options. Click on it. Here, just scroll down. You might see USB debugging here. The very first, you have to enable this. Click OK. Now once you have enabled USB debugging, now you can easily use USB debugging as well. You will not get any kind of issue now. So in this way, you can easily enable USB debugging and your Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.